To change your Wells Fargo debit PIN at an ATM, you'll need your Wells Fargo debit card and your current PIN. First, insert your debit card into any Wells Fargo ATM and enter your current PIN to access your account. Once you're logged in, look for Account Services or More Options on the ATM screen. This is usually found in the main menu. In the Account Services menu, select PIN Change or Change PIN. The exact wording may vary slightly between different ATM models. The ATM will ask you to enter your current PIN again for security verification. Then, you'll enter your new 4-digit PIN twice to confirm it. Your PIN change takes effect immediately. Remember, you must know your current PIN to use this method, and you cannot reuse your recent PINs for security reasons. To change your Wells Fargo debit PIN using the mobile app, start by opening the Wells Fargo mobile app on your device. Once logged in, navigate to Account Services or Manage Cards section. This is typically found in the main menu or account management area. Select your debit card from the list of accounts, then look for the Change PIN option. This is usually found under Card Management or Security Settings. The app will require identity verification through biometric authentication like fingerprint or face recognition, or your app password for security. Enter your new 4-digit PIN twice for confirmation. Choose a secure PIN that's not easily guessable, avoiding obvious combinations like your birth year or sequential numbers. Confirm the change and you'll receive immediate confirmation that your PIN has been updated. The new PIN takes effect immediately and can be used right away for ATM transactions and purchases.